Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering off the iPhone and clearing the area so nothing shifts. Once done, remove the case and any cables, then identify the sticker edges with bright light. Use a plastic pick or fingernail, not metal, to lift a corner. This reduces scratching. Make sure to have 70% isopropyl, microfiber cloths, and cotton swabs at hand. Start slow. Lift a small edge, then peel gently at a low angle to keep adhesive from tearing and to protect the keys and sensors. Once you have a lifted edge, soften the adhesive to avoid residue and tears. Lightly dampen a cotton swab with 70% isopropyl and swipe under the lifted portion. Do not pour or flood speaker holes. If needed, warm the sticker with a hairdryer held 5 to 7 inches away on low for 10 to 15 seconds. This lowers adhesive strength. Then peel steadily, keeping tension low and moving solvent along the path. If tiny bits remain, use a soft brush and more isopropyl to loosen them. You finish by removing any leftover adhesive and restoring the surface. Wipe with a microfiber cloth dampened with isopropyl, then dry fully before putting the case back or powering on. For stubborn residue, use a small amount of adhesive remover on a cotton swab. Test an inconspicuous spot first to avoid finish damage. If you notice scratches, sticky film that won't lift, or altered buttons, stop. Make sure to consult a repair professional rather than forcing more solvents or pry tools, which can work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.